Hi, everyone. I'm Sara Patterson. I'm the Chief Human Resources Officer at Simpro Group, and I'm here to chat about a challenge that many of our customers in the field services industry are facing today. So the field services industry is facing a workforce challenge. An aging workforce is retiring, and there's an urgent need to attract a new generation of talent and step into the roles and inherit essential skills and knowledge. The good news is that more and more young people are turning to trade schools as traditional college enrollments decline. However, there's still about 1 million fewer skilled people in the trades than in 2007, and that's according to a recent Forbes article. The article also states that about 30% of business owners cannot find qualified talent to fill positions, and if they could find that talent, they'd be able to expand their business. So there's an enormous opportunity here. So how do you, as like a small field services business, attract, recruit, and retain this new generation of talent? You have to remember that what attracted the past generation to a company or a position doesn't necessarily appeal to this younger crowd. To attract and retain them, you need to adjust your recruiting strategy, you need to embrace new technology, and you need to offer meaningful work experiences. These are essential for maintaining operational efficiency, customer satisfaction, and adapting to an evolving workforce trend. So let's start by chatting about how to attract and recruit talent in this market. First, it's important for any size organization in the field services industry to have an employer brand strategy. So what does that mean to you? It means that you have a defined strategy around what makes working for your business special, and that anyone in your organization can easily articulate that value. All of your employees should be seen as potential recruiters of talent, so everyone on the team should be able to talk about what makes your business a special place to work. This is also important as you market your business as a great place to work at the trade schools and job fairs. Speaking of trade schools, it's important to build relationship at these schools early and track high-performing students throughout their time there. Nurture a relationship with instructors and teachers and career counselors so that you know who are the highest performing students at the school, and so you can establish a relationship with them, court them, and recruit them right out of the program. And then finally, utilize new technology and social media for establishing your employer brand and recruiting efforts. AI and social media are amazing tools that can help generate buzz around your business and employee experience to attract a younger generation of employees. Now that you've recruited the best talent for your business, you will need to think about how to retain them. First, think about leveraging technology again as a retention tool. New generations of employees are much more tech savvy than the previous generations. The more robust your tech stack is, the more interested employees will be in working with you. Even having an interest in discovering new AI, VR, or other advanced technologies for your business and engaging employees in how to establish these tools will keep them involved in helping you to grow your business. 2, emphasize relevance, purpose, and impact of the job. Highlight the meaningful nature of the work and the positive impact it has on the community. Know that the newer generation of employers are highly networked on social media and want to share their experiences and want to share the impact they have on the community. Consider allowing them to share their work, their progress, their achievements with their network. This is a great opportunity for you to promote your business and to continue to attract additional talent. I'd recommend that you do put into place guidelines on what is acceptable for you and your employees to share about the business. And then finally, this generation wants meaningful feedback, and they want it often. Managers need to be prepared to have open, honest conversations with employees. If your managers are not skilled at having these conversations, there are so many easily accessible tools to get them there. Podcasts, books, articles are available at low or no cost to help guide leaders on how to communicate well with their teams. I hope this has been helpful. Great chatting with you. Cheers.
Simpro. Work smarter.